High false cause rate of solder inspection. AI algorithm accurately identify defective soldering. Welding quality directly impacts PCBA performance and reliability. Insufficient or excessive solder can lead to product failures or bad scrapping, resulting in significant economic losses. Traditional AOI relies on subjective experience for color extraction and threshold setting, leading to inconsistent inspection results. Additionally, focusing solely on color and area makes it challenging to detect subtle solder shape changes, resulting in false calls and escapee. Make-array AI AOI, based on AI deep learning algorithm, can significantly improve the accuracy and stability of solder inspection. By training on millions of OK-NG solder images, deep learning auto-identifies the relationship between solder volume and shape. It not only extracts the features like grayscale and area, but also analyzes texture, shape, size, and position to build a multi-dimensional detection model without manual rules. This approach offers strong anti-interference, resists flux and dust, and delivers detection standards close to the true value.